Hello friends, Arbab is here. In this video, you will learn how to take entries on my giving signals. So let's jump to the video. So as you seen in this my Telegram channel, link will be in the bio. You will see I give you signal like this, okay? Where there I write something like US oil sale limit with numbers and then TP 30 pips and hash close half and then break even, okay? What is that? How to take? How many entries? Everything I will going to teach you. Okay, so let's jump to first to the chart, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so like this I give you the signal with two black lines, one red line, and this is a green for TP. Okay, so this green one is not mean that you have to take TP until like here or put your TP. Okay, so first of all you will go to this drawing section and you will get a Ghana box. Where is this one? Okay, it's like a Fibonacci tools and do setting only for three options. Okay, like here I will use for you and I will teach you from the black first line to the end line. Okay, so we have uh, 1.5 and 0. Okay, so we have to take three entries on my giving positions. Okay, listen carefully. If you are new to the my group or new to the forex, must listen this one, so it will be helpful for you. Okay, three entries. For example, if you calculated your risk management and you decided that you are going to use lot of 0.3 on each trade. Okay, so you will not put these lot size on one position. You have to divide by 3, so you got 0.1. Okay, so what you have to do on 1, the first line here bottom, you will put 0.1. in the middle of this two black lines you have put 0.1. in the last you have put 0.1. okay, how to put? Go to the MT5. Okay, or whatever you're using. If you don't have any broker, you will get the link of XNS broker that I am personally using, and MT5, that is good. Okay, so simply in the broker, here the screen look like, go to the here sale limit. Okay, put the given location and SL. Here you will see SL, you will see TP, set TP. Okay, I will tell you about TP, just wait. Okay, go to the arrow or written here your desired amount and place. Okay, then this is the first position of 0.01, 0.01, whatever that one. Okay, here is the lot size as according your equity. Then put on the second, third, like this. Okay, three position minimum. Okay, you can increase as well if you want to delete or you want to do some modification. You can do by here manual. You don't have to go there. Okay, okay. Now about TP, the main important point, because if you don't follow that one, you might be this trade go to SL. Okay, so our basically target is 30 pips minimum, and then for 100 pips, 70 pips, 60 pips accordingly. Okay, so what is that? What is mean by that? For example, price going to my area. Okay, by like this, and if we touch trigger your first limit order and then come back 25 pips from here like this. Okay, like this. If come back to 25 pips, remember what I'm saying, that from the first point, if your one trade is triggered and it's run 25 pips, you must close first and second position, the upper side half, and the first one you have to close that limit. Okay, delete that limit, and the SL must have be break even. Understood what I said? The SL must be come to the break even. Okay, if you are using a high lot, like not like a small lot, like one lot, two lot, three lots. Okay, so you will close the half of your position. Okay, and half will be you will hold until. And what happened then? The price if go gradually downside. Okay, it's not going directly, it will be make higher low and higher high, right? You know the simple of price action like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to trail your stop loss from the break even to the next swing points. Okay, understood? This is the first scenario. Okay, what is the second scenario? Second scenario is that if price go upside, okay, gradually, and come to your the main point, okay, the first position, the upside, okay, trigger that first one, and from first point, if it's run 20 pips, 25 pips, okay, like this, you have to close, just a moment, sorry about that. Okay, you have to close the bottom trade and the center one trade. Okay, what I said, if it's price trigger your the last order 01, okay, that one, if it's triggered your sale limit or your buy limit, you have to, and run it's 25-30 pips, you have to close these recent one and the upper one, okay, middle one. The last one you have to put SL on the break even like this. Okay, I will tell you, if once it's reached there, you have to put your SL as a break even and hold until you got 60 pips, 70 pips, 80 pips or next swing area. Okay, opposite side of the liquidity. This is the scenario. Understood? Remember that on the previous scenario, if it's touch your first line, you must delete these old limits. Okay, because what happened in 15-minute time frame, and if price hit on our like kill zone time, like London session or New York session, the price fly for suddenly for 40-50 pips and then go back to the SL area. So you must put also, like if I give you this limit, put your limits, but also put the alerts. Okay, it will be really helpful for you, because you will got active. Okay, so like this, you put alerts, and once you put the alerts, once price reach this area, I will know, I will get to know that my price is my trade is going to trigger. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. Understood? That's how you put that you have book profit. So that's why I'm telling you on every trade that once you got 30 pips, close the half or break even, must. Okay, not be greedy, not be aggressive. Okay, be patient, you will be a profitable, I guarantee you. Just be with me 6 months, and please don't if you don't understand these things, so don't please use your real money, use a demo account and see my strategy. Most of my trades just touch and go to the opposite side and give 50-60 pips. Today I will also see this is the today chart and gold. Okay, so here also I have one position, here also I have one position, and yesterday I have also here one position. Like as you see, I have many positions here. Yesterday I draw this one and it's give us a good move, and also same area give us a good move, but also to the near to SL. But due to a lower confirmation, I didn't give you the trades. So that's why, don't worry about that. Be patient. We don't have to trade every day. We need a good opportunity area. Okay, so hope you will understand. If you have any queries or any question, you can contact me okay, on comment section, or if you are watching on this in TikTok, so make sure you join our Telegram channel, link in the bio. Okay, Arbab Zahoor FX Trader, and all of thing is free of cost. I am not getting any payment, or I'm not giving you any course or like this. Okay, and it will be a forever free, no any course, nothing. My strategy will be revealed after I got at least 1000 subscriber. So I will reveal my strategy on which base I giving you this signal. Okay, no any indicator, nothing more. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Hope you are doing well. Good luck.